Repeat after me. Today we will practice English in the morning. Listen and repeat. Part 1. Very slow and simple. I wake up. I wake up. I open my eyes. I open my eyes. I get out of bed. I get out of bed. I wash my face. I wash my face. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. Part 2. Daily actions. I drink some water. The water is cold. I make a cup of coffee. The coffee is hot. I sit down. I feel calm. I start my day. Part 3. Feeling ready. In the morning, I feel fresh. I feel ready. I take a deep breath. Today is a good day. Mini review. Let's say it together. I wake up. I wash my face. I brush my teeth. I drink water. I feel ready. Great job! Practice this every morning. Speak English every day. See you in the next video.